In FitFoot360 version 3, there is a brand new forefoot plate taper. So at the bottom of the forefoot menu, you will find an option called forefoot plate taper depth. So if I increase this slider, you can see the depth of that forefoot or distal area of the orthotic moving away from the scan or the toes. And you can see the increased space there. You'll also notice that material is being added. So if I drag this back and you just concentrate on this area here, you'll notice that when I increase the depth, the material also increases. So if you don't want the material to increase, there is a brand new option in the settings menu. So if you go to settings, software, and turn on set thickness to plain, select OK. So what I'll do now is I'm going to rerun that forefoot plate taper depth. And if you notice, when I do that, instead of the forefoot plate kind of moving downwards, it's just reducing the amount of material in that region. So no material is being added to this kind of back area here. And there is now less material in this forefoot region. So if I just rotate that round, you can see. It is worth noting that obviously if you do decrease this to, something very, very small, you can get breakthroughs and you can get something that's kind of extremely thin. So that's just also worth taking note of. Another area that you can see this new setting really clearly is in the sections menu. So if I pick a section, I can now drag that section all the way down and I can break through again if I want to. But obviously I wouldn't advise you doing that. But you can just basically make this as thin as you want to, which wasn't possible before. So if I go back to settings, we can see what it's like without that setting turned on. And if I pull this down now, you can see there is no way I can break through and there is always a set thickness. Okay, so that is everything for this video. Please take a look at the other What's New in V3 videos.